For years, health plans lived in a world they knew and understood. But the shift to an individual market and the rise of healthcare consumerism has changed the landscape. Competitors like the wolf seem to be at the door, looking for an opening. Customers are looking for more from their health plans. You can try to ignore these changes, but you risk losing customers or losing your business altogether. Instead, consider what it would mean to meet both competitive threats and customer needs head-on. Will you discover that private exchanges are not so scary, especially if you can figure out how to collaborate or chart a new path? Will you realize the benefits of an omni-channel strategy that ensures a consistent message, helping you reach new heights and increasing customer value? Can you use healthcare analytics to fuse masses of individual data points into a new strategy that helps your customers, like spinning straw into gold and growing your bottom line? Will it take a mirror on the wall to tell you what's the fairest way to embrace digital transparency and win new customers by empowering them to make informed decisions about their healthcare? Can you stay engaged with customers throughout their health plan life cycle to increase both wellness and satisfaction? The tools are there. The insight is available. You have what you need to become the hero of the story and let your health plan live happily ever after. Connect with Deloitte to learn more.
A century ago, Ford automated the manufacturing process. Since then, automation has been used to build anything that requires repetitive manual tasks. Automating these mechanical processes allowed people to concentrate on the more complex and creative tasks that machines can't handle. So what about when people are bogged down by those repetitive, non-mechanical knowledge processes? This type of work forms the backbone of the healthcare system, and automating it has been a harder problem to solve. Document management by many hospitals, pharmacies, and insurance providers is still paper-based, producing hundreds of thousands of handwritten forms and faxes every day. Each piece of paper then requires the time and expertise of several people to turn it into an appointment or prescription or medical bill. However, building on 50 years of R&D in artificial intelligence and other exponential technologies, we've reached a place where we can tackle this time-intensive routine using cognitive automation. Created by the Cognitive Analytics Group within Deloitte Consulting, cognitive automation is a platform that can potentially streamline operations across the healthcare industry. From medical services to insurance to pharmaceuticals, by automatically processing tasks that were traditionally assigned to overworked nurses and benefit managers. Take this common scenario. A physician writes a prescription and faxes it to the pharmacy. The pharmacy realizes that the prescription requires a prior authorization, which kicks off a lengthy manual review process in order to approve the prescription. The pharmacy notifies the physician that a prior authorization is needed. The physician's office completes the required form and faxes it to the pharmacy benefits manager, who then starts the review process. But this process, and others like it, can potentially be automated. As soon as a prior authorization is written, cognitive automation implements a wide range of cognitive analytics processes to take care of the rest. Handwriting recognition software translates written words into an electronic format. Natural language processing identifies the key elements in the form. Semantic computing assigns medical codes to these keywords. Then probabilistic inferences suggest next steps for medication or care. And machine learning enhances the system over time as it detects patterns and learns from previous experience. The combination of a dozen technological capabilities within cognitive analytics can have the ability to transform how the healthcare industry operates. It will likely reduce operational costs by adding cognitive automation to paper-driven processes and free up valuable hospital professionals to concentrate on more advanced work. The result? A better overall service to patients and stakeholders. But these are just the platform's current capabilities. The future of cognitive automation aims to revolutionize the healthcare marketplace. From voice recognition to increasingly complex language processing for medical advice, all the way to wearable sensory technology for scanning and interpreting data in real time. Healthcare professionals will likely be equipped to more efficiently and effectively care for their patients. Cognitive automation is at the forefront of innovation that began over a century ago, and it leads a new wave of technology to address the future of care.
Data regarding an airplane's engine is constantly monitored and analyzed to provide insights and ensure that it's running smoothly. The same type of data is available about us, about our minds, our bodies, and our health. But we don't monitor, analyze, or connect it to make sure we're running smoothly. But what if we did? What if there was something that could collect your data and create personal health insights tailored specifically to you? What if it could come up with daily nutritional recommendations based on your own real-time personal health metrics? What if it could help you better understand and manage your individual care plan when you're sick? Or help you care for and manage your mother's care plan from across the country? What if, when you had a health issue, it could help you answer your most complicated questions based on the most up-to-date research and using real-time expert opinion? What if it could help you become smarter about your health by understanding the things that you don't know but should? What if it could tell you when something wasn't right, and not only tell your doctor about it, but schedule an appointment for you as well? What if it was able to give you information by connecting different things about your life that only you know should be connected? What if there was something that could do all of that? Meet Nora, powered by the Deloitte Cognitive Platform. Here's how it works. It starts by collecting all the relevant data you allow it access to, things like medical history, lifestyle, behavior, weather, and location, as well as personal preferences around food, exercise, hobbies, and more. Then it uses machine learning algorithms to find patterns and relationships between these disparate sources of information. Finally, it generates personalized insights about your health and makes them available to you in the context of your daily life through whatever channels are most convenient. An invisible force that appears when you need it, making healthcare personal for everyone.